Now, Jakin, I know you would love these 3 bunk beds. I can just see you going, woo!
No, we're not doing it.
Rack 'em and stack 'em. What's up, everybody? It's Allan with Life to the Fullest. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. But today we are going to be going down to Gleanings for the Hungry to pick up a whole bunch of food donations, and you guys are going to come along with us.
Let's go.
Why is everything so hard?
Why are we not married yet?
Oh, Jesus.
Get out of the
Because
way.
we're holding out for the right ones.
Are we?
I hope so.
You better be.
I feel like people that give the advice, just marry someone, is probably the worst advice you can give somebody.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
I forgot this little piece, which was like a $12, wait, it was like 12 or 8?
8.
I think it was $8 mistake, but I need it because we depend on GPS because we don't know where we're going. I remember the time though, like when my dad, and he would have me like get the map out.
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever do that?
I did. Yeah, I did that.
Okay.
Sit in the front of the car and.
Yeah, and it's like you're like the navigator.
Yeah, those were good times.
You ever seen the Flight of the Navigator?
What?
Flight of the Navigator?
No.
Okay. Next time.
Not really.
Let me know if you guys have seen Flight of the Navigator. Put it in the comments. Let me know if you guys like videos like this. I don't know, because it's fun.
2 hours later.
So apparently this is a Dutch song.
I know it's all a crime. You stole my peace of mind. I shiver when you talk to me. Oh yeah.
Jesus.
Give us a wife. We are desperate. Say, what does Jesus say? Wait, are you filming this?
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
A few moments later.
We just got a little walk around with Andy, who is like one of the directors of the base. I think Fritz is the director of the base, but Andy's probably like a close second. We will see. So we're making our way into the deep.
Pretty claustrophobic, to be honest.
Really?
Yep.
What's your favorite part about it?
The smell.
The smell is your favorite part?
Yes, I love it.
Huh.
Day 2.
Oh, doing pretty well yourself. good.
All right, everybody, we are back on the road. Tobias and I just left. It's around like almost 3 o'clock. But we have everything. We're on our way, so we're taking the long haul back up to Northern California. We just hit Sacramento and we are in a sea of traffic. We are standstill practically in Sacramento. So, but this might be the end of our vlog.